Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. We begin this evening with devastating news from St. Anne, where a fire claimed the lives of 3 young children at their home in Cottage District, Walkerswood in the parish. The blaze, which occurred in the early hours of Sunday morning, has left a family and community in shock and grief. Shamala Pullen has the details.
According to reports, the fire started at approximately 2 a.m. at the 3-apartment dwelling. The house was completely destroyed. 3 children, Tashana Mattis 7, Tashani Mattis 4, and Tavarna Mattis 2 perished in the fire. Their brother, Tadane Mattis 5, narrowly escaped the blaze with their grandmother, Robin Roach. An eyewitness who was first on the scene explained seeing flames coming from the house and raised an alarm.
When I come up here, the kids in the house, I cry. They get me in the fire, blaze upon them. I run around and see a little boy run back and grab him up and thing. And if I try, say I go move, if I at least try, get them out. The gas pan bust in the house and then you stop just caving and this all screaming stop.
The crew started operation and to extinguish the fire, after which the cooling down operation started, and it was at that point where the remains of 3 children were found in one of the rooms on a bed.
Firefighters arrived on the scene shortly after 3 a.m. to put out the blaze.
We got this call at 2:24 a.m. this morning through the police control. We responded immediately with 2 units, one from Ocherius and one from St. Anne's Bay. Ocherius was first on the scene, and they saw when they got here a 3-apartment dwelling fully engulfed in flames with roof already collapsed.
The mother of the children was not at home at the time of the incident. Odane Mattis is the father of the 4 children, 3 of whom died in the blaze.
By me going to make nothing to save them. And the mother gone. And she left me in a square, turn up right, so I just come for her. She left me in a square. Normally when she go up, I tell her, I say, when you go about your business, make me out and come on my yard and spend the night till you come back. She left me in a square and she not said nothing to me.
Mr. Mattis thinks the situation could have been prevented if the children weren't locked inside the house.
One of them went up there on her grandmother asleep. And the grandmother came back around the other tree, said they sleep bad, so in care them go put them in the house. And then lock the door from on the outside. So none of you them can't get to come out of the house. Only one save and I want to sleep with the grandmother.
So the 3 children belong to you?
4 of them.
Meanwhile, the community is in shock following the devastating loss of life.
I've been in contact with the Prime Minister, the MP for the area, Lisa Hanna, and of course Minister Dana Dixon. All the arms of the state to provide the necessary support are already mobilized. But for right now, we're purely focused with council for the area and of course the mayor in providing emotional support to the community.
An investigation into the cause of the fire is currently underway. Shamala Pullen, TVJ News.